Yaki Khubor ka Bate Se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Executive Committee jong ka All Meghalaya Dancers Association haka khatpratarik ujeliu arajar arpsan kala sam yaki Khusnam shaki nongjob hakarinsan yakop shat balatip kum ka Shillong Dancing Star ka balalong halat kor bat la penbit penbiang da ka Shillong Dance Academy haringkat ka All Meghalaya Dancers Association. Kaseng kala Synniang ru da kasong Pisa, siya kakenhun Fantastic Brothers, kaban sa palong ya kajing yakop shat hau benai nailar. Ya kajing sam Khusnam bala palong ha opet strekam jong kaseng, la sakilang da President ka All Meghalaya Dancers Association, uba kitbok thaba, but u social sketri, you talented, but kiway. Kani kajing pensulur jong kaseng, kalong ban plila dia ki hebred na kaleng kejala, ki badon dia ki sab baper.
Kani janbi pemerintah ilayo aban sam ni kani prize ya kini ki long job jong kani ka Shillong Dance Academy te kalong bala aslam ni khumla ban ai ka prize ma kitam ki katukat ni ki pentah ki bang ni ma ban ai kasni ten ding layo ban ai no matak sni pan bagi kitbok yang ni pigi pa job akat kasni ka Shillong Dance Academy pakin ang trisitom susu Amda nang ni increment ru pakin trisitom ru ki national level di mentang ani aban sam se ni prize yang wing samla ya winners berjob hak Shillong Dance Academy Shillong Dance Academy Hangsgi ibadai ru inong kaisat in shimya kani ka prize ban ai student yang ga second prize but if third prize kani ka way ru ka third prize pop thosui nang kai shishur khana mo ni phi do aku social secretary jong la youth talented Amda ang ila no dam ka ti community ka diang ban yarap nang ban sponsor dam ya ka Fantastic Brothers unta ka event bikin sepelong kamta miki ban ketiu iki dan sap kena te nang por ng khat ya iwi nap deng jong kini ki Fantastic Brothers ban kan Hanover kanika sponsor pangila ai na ka All Meghalaya Dance Association teng subhaban khat event donation.
Hello guys, it's me Anku Kiba and I'm representing Fantastic Brothers. So I want to thank in Meghalaya Dance Association for providing us this support, and I'm blessed and I'm very thankful to them to provide us the support. Thank you.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya, your story starts here.